Hello St George's, it's Mr Abbott here with another maths video. Today we're going to be looking at short division, but this time we're going to include remainders. Here's a simple problem. 49 divided by 4. We start by drawing our bush shelter. We put the 49 under the bush shelter and the 4 on the outside. 4 divided by 4. How many groups of 4 can we make out of 4? Well, it's 1. 9 divided by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many groups of 4 can we make from 9? Well, there's one group of 4, there's a second group of 4, and we have one left over. We call this the remainder. So we can make 2 whole groups with one left over. Because there are no more numbers to calculate, we call this the remainder. 49 divided by 4 equals 12, remainder 1. Let's try another. 67 divided by 5. Once again, we start with our bush shelter. Our 67 goes underneath, and the 5 goes on the outside. 6 divided by 5. How many groups of 5 can we make from 6? We can make one whole group, and we have one left over, which we move into the next column. 17 divided by 5, or 3 times 5 is 15, with 2 left over to make 17. So we can make 3 whole groups of 5, and we have 2 left over, remainder 2. 67 divided by 5 is 13, remainder 2. Let's try one more. 253 divided by 4. This time our bush shelter will need to be a little larger. 253 goes under the bush shelter and 4 sits outside. 2 divided by 4. How many groups of 4 can we make from 2? Well, clearly there's not enough. So the answer is 0. But we can't ignore this 2. So we're going to link it to the next number to make 25. How many groups of 4 go into 25? Well, 6 times 4 equals 24. So that's 24 from 25 gives us one left over. That's 6 whole groups with one left over, which will go into the next column to give us 13. 13 divided by 4, or 3 times 4 equals 12. We're dividing 13, so we have one left over, which means there are 3 whole groups, remainder 1. 253 divided by 4 is 63, remainder 1. If you feel confident with this method, why not have a go at these questions? Once you've completed your work, please don't forget to video or photograph the work and email it in to me. Good luck, St George's.